Yung laging problema nitong soap dispenser is laging nasisira yung battery holder. Lagi nawawasak to. Ito hindi pa. So, nakadalawang battery holder na kami. Mali, gagawin ko ng power supply. 6 na battery na 1.5, bali 6 times 1.5, 6 volts. Ito na yung prototype ng battery supply para sa soap dispenser. Ito na yung finished product. Bali 2S lang to, tsaka 3 ampere na BMS, tapos step down para maging 6 volts. 8.4 tong dalawang battery naka series, then step down 6 volts. Battery charging 1 ampere lang, 2S 1 ampere lang. Ito na yan. Kapag low-bat, charge lang kahit na anong charger na 5 volts. Kapag blue, charging full. Kapag red, charging. Okay, try natin.